Chinese people, sometimes when they see a simple word, they like to speak it several times. Like we learn to stop, 停, and they don't say 停, they say 停停停, stop, 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 停停停. And here, another word, 来, people say come, 来来来. When they say come, 来来来. And sometimes you ask people, like a waiter, may you come here? You say it this way, very politely. You say 请. 请 is like a please do something. So 请来一下. 请来一下. 请来 may you come. 一下 is like to make this expression gentle and polite. So 请来一下. 请来一下. And when to ask. So when you want to ask a question, you can start like this. 请问, for example, what's your name? 请问你叫什么? So 请问 then the sentence 你叫什么? What's your name? 请问你叫什么? Here. 他是谁? It seemed we learned this question before. 他是谁? He is who? But remember, the 他 actually has two characters, two words. One is for he. So before we learned 他是谁, at that time we use a character means he. And here, to review, 他是谁, but we use a different character, which means she. So 他是谁? Who is shéi? 他是谁? This is shéi, who? She is who? We already learned how to say 我, I, 你, you, she, 他, he, 他, or 他. And to say my, when we talk about my family members, I can say 我爸爸, 我妈妈. But usually, when you say my, you need to say 我的. You put a 的 after 我, that's my. So 我的 something. 我的. Or somebody 的. For example, we learned 谁 means who. So 谁的 means whose. So 谁的东西 generally stuff, things. So 谁的东西 whose stuff here. 谁的东西 谁的东西 who things. And if you want to say that's my bag, you say 我的 bag 包我的包. When you want to say yours, 你 is you, and yours, you say 你的. When you want to say his, you say 他的. When you want to say hers, you say 她的. Oh, so sounds the same because 他, he, and she just the same pronunciation. Here, 手机手机 means cell phone. So, 他的手机 his cell phone. 在哪儿? We learned 哪儿 means where. 在 to be. Location, the place. So 在哪儿 is a very short sentence. You can use it to ask, where is something? For example, 他的手机在哪儿? So, his cell phone at Where? To be where? 在哪儿？When you ask a toilet, you say 卫生间在哪儿？When you want to go to the subway station, you ask 地铁在哪儿